Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about Charles Dickens' work. A short description of Charles Dickens' famous works. Pickwick Papers. This is the second novel by Charles Dickens which is published in serially from 1836 to 1837. There are more than 350 characters in this novel. You can read the summary or some important points of this work which is on the screen. Oliver Twist. It is also very important work by Charles Dickens. This is novel published in a magazine named Bentley's Miscellany. This is also very important and very good work by Charles Dickens. You can read some important points of this work in this slide. Nicholas Nickleby. This is also a novel which is published in 1838, which is a reformative novel. The summary of this novel is on the screen. You can take screenshot of this slide or also can pause your video and can read this. Next work is Old Curiosity Shop, which is published in 1840. It is also very important work. You can read some important points of this work which are on the screen. Old Curiosity Shop. Barnaby Rudge. This is also a novel, historical romantic novel, which is published in 1841. This novel, dealing with the anti-poverty rights of 1780, important points or summary of this work is on the screen. You can read this very carefully. You should read yourself because it will make you active. When we read ourselves, it will be very active and which will we read and we can understand that. Martin Kuzovit. This is novel published in 1845 which deals with the adventure of Martin, which is a hero or protagonist of this novel. You can read important points of this novel which are in this slide. You can read Dombey and Son. This is also a novel which is published in 1847 to 48. This novel related the story of Mr. Dombey and his son. You can read important points of this work. This is also related with Dombey and Son. There are two slides of this work, Dombey and Son. It is very important work. You should read. Bleak House. Bleak House novel published in 1852 to 53. Important points or summary of this work is on the screen. You can take screenshot or can pause the video to read it. Read it very carefully. The characters are very important. A Tale of Two Cities. Very, very important work by Charles Dickens. This work is published in 1859, which is an historical novel. The novel's events connected with the French Revolution. A Tale of Two Cities. Two cities, which are two cities? Two cities are London and Paris. This work is very important. Next work is David Copperfield. This novel is published in 1849 to 50. Dickens himself quote, "Of all my books, I like this the best." He quote these lines for David Copperfield, which is his own work. This slide is also Great Expectation. Expectation. PEC, not R. PECTATIONS. Great Expectation. This is novel which is published in 1860 to 61. The narrator of this novel is Philip Rip, which is commonly known as Pip. Notable character of this novel is Pumblechook, Jaggers, Van Meek, and Herbert Pocket. You can read it yourself. If you like this video and helpful for you, please like and share. Thanks for watching. Keep on learning and keep on watching.